Okay, everybody, here it is. Battery pack that's been redone. The game. I got a surprise game in here, so let's check it out. I'm gonna turn the light boy on, see if that works. Holy crap, it does. I'll worry about getting all the scratches out of the screen, out of the the glass here. This one's fine though. And then I'm going to eventually end up putting right here Nintendo Game Boy, not as a decal, but actually hand painting it on. I'm going to try to stick to this logo right here, this font. I may have to stencil something out in order for me to paint it on there, but it can be done. And it's something I love doing. So, it works. I know that you guys have been wanting to see this one, and I finally got it all working, and voila. So if you need me to redo any of your gaming systems, you need me to fix any problems that you guys are having with, like, say, your Game Boy or Game Boy Color, hit me up. Let me know. My prices are pretty reasonable. Also, if you're looking for any gaming systems, I do have some for sale. And I am always willing to take broken systems. That helps me repair ones for other customers, and also for some of the ones in my collection. But again, thank you all for taking the time out to watch this video. I'm actually pretty proud of myself because I got it to work, and I just can't believe these bulbs are still going and they're that freaking bright. Man. Well, it's time for bed. Working tomorrow, and then I'll come home and do some more stuff after I get the Nintendo packaged up and ready to go. Peace.